This crunchy breadsticks are really yummy. Easy to make too. To start, you need the butter cut in cubes and at room temperature. Then you need to mix the warm milk with the sugar and oil. Stir a little. Check that the milk feels warm to the touch, then add the yeast. Stir again, then cover. Add the flour to the bowl with the butter. Using your fingers, crumb the butter and flour together until the mixture resembles wet sand. Add the salt and the fennel or caraway seeds at this time too. I'm using a larger bowl here to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. The yeast has increased in volume in about 10 minutes and is ready to use. Now you need to mix the ingredients until the dough is formed. It takes about 10 minutes in total. Knead a little to obtain a uniform consistency of the dough. The dough is ready when all the flour has been incorporated and the dough is smooth and can be formed into a ball. Cover and let rest for 1 hour. As you see, the dough is slightly puffed up. Cut it in smaller pieces, it is easier to work with. Roll out the dough as close to a rectangle as possible. Trim the edges. You can re-roll the scraps with the next piece of dough. Brush the dough sheet with the beaten egg. It will give a nice golden brown color to the breadsticks. You can sprinkle the dough with salt crystals at this time too. Cut the dough in thin strips with a rotary cutter. You can then transfer them directly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. If you prefer, you can twist each strip for a better look. You get a lot of breadsticks from this recipe, and you can freeze part of the sticks and bake them at a later time. Bake them in the oven at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they get a nice golden brown color. Enjoy!